20 years ago, the reason PharmaGenesis started was there were clients who wanted us to do work. What's notable is the longevity of some of our client relationships. We've had clients with us the whole duration of the life of this company. There aren't many pharma companies on both sides of the Atlantic who haven't been blessed with some words from us.
What's made Oxford PharmaGenesis successful since it first began in 1998 is it really a focus on quality, working with many different clients in the pharmaceutical industry and working with academics, with patient groups, with professional societies. What we strive to do is deliver the highest quality, both in terms of the content that we provide and also the client service.
When I started, I thought the only thing that mattered was doing brilliant writing. But what I learned as we grew and we started doing bigger projects is that you also have to deliver brilliant service.
Our clients appreciate that quality of delivery, they appreciate our dedication, and that helps us to build those relationships with the clients that mean when they move positions they take Oxford PharmaGenesis with them. And really that's been the way we've grown as a company, that's been a cornerstone of our success.
We've done a lot of projects where we've made an impact, and we know that clear messages and bold design are an important part of that.
We encapsulate what we're aiming to achieve in these words: powerful thinking, dedicated to your success. Powerful thinking is really where great content starts. Dedicated to your success is talking about the fact that we're there for our clients and we want them to be successful as individuals just as much as for their company.
There's a lot of companies out there that are very good at different aspects. They're very good, for example, at clinical publications. Companies are very good at market access. I think it's very unusual to have a company that has experience across all of those areas. We have this approach that we call health science that integrates different aspects of demonstrating value. And what we're seeing is that our clients really need that.
We're unusual at Oxford PharmaGenesis in being independent at the size and scale that we are today. All the decisions that are made about our business are made by people who are actively engaged in our business. If we want to do something, it could be open an office in Melbourne, it could be open a new practice looking at patient engagement. We can do that, and that's really exciting.
People are attracted to working at Oxford PharmaGenesis, and certainly I was, by the fact that it's an independent company and therefore has a bit more freedom in terms of how people can develop and really how people can shape their own careers.
It's very much about recruiting and retaining talented people by finding the right spot for them that plays to their strengths.
One of the most important things that underlies everything that we do, and the reason we're here, is the patients. Getting new drugs to patients who need them. And there are lots and lots of ways of doing this, but communication is a key way.
We really are fulfilling the company's mission, which is to help our clients to bring new medicines to patients in areas of unmet medical need. And when you're helping a clinician to write a manuscript describing the benefits of a new drug, you're doing that.
We don't do the core pharmacology and physiology, the chemistry and the biochemistry. But what we do is the communications. We can help to get those drugs used more quickly, used by a wider group of people. That's how we make a difference in the world.
I found in getting to know Oxford PharmaGenesis that they are brilliantly creative, and at the heart of that creativity is compassion. Their work in communication positively transforms people's lives.
My relationship is as a patient and giving my input into their work. They've taken on board what the patient needs and really listened to me. And that good way makes a big difference to a lot of people.
If you'd asked me 20 years ago, what do you see as the future of Oxford PharmaGenesis, I wouldn't have had a clue. We're in America, we're in Europe, and we're growing in other places. If you ask me where the next 20 years will take us, I don't know the answer. I hope that if we're true to our ideal of bringing drugs to the world in areas of unmet need, we shall be in the developing parts of the world. world as well as the developed parts of the world.
We're very optimistic about the future. We certainly believe that by delivering a quality product, by staying close to some really fantastic clients, by employing great people who enjoy working together, we've got a great future.
But I think if we do stay true to our values and we do retain the culture that we have, I think we'll be successful because we recruit and develop really bright people, and they will help us adapt to that changing world. And I think so long as we're listening to them and we're supporting them and we're helping them develop, then the company will continue to grow.
Here we are in 2018, celebrating the 20th birthday of Oxford PharmaGenesis. Congratulations again, Graham. All of this could not and would not have happened without you and your vision. Here's to another successful 20 years.
I just want to conclude by saying we've changed a lot in the past 20 years. We'll certainly be entirely different in 20 years' time, but hopefully our values will stay the same. Thank you.